Alright, so we got a lot of snow here in Pittsburgh. Checking out the properties. The first one is Cottage Lane. Alright, so we got a new gas pipeline here. The curbside is ready. Tap in ready. The glass is not replaced yet. They got roadside, so they'll have to come back and change it. Alright, so the ductwork is clean. Not sure if the furnace works since we don't have gas right now, so we'll be tapping into the main gas line in the curb. So we'll probably have to get a main line from here, cut it out, is like we have for this exhaust over there. So maybe it's gonna be closer to that side, to this side, and this main line, the old one. So we're gonna cut it off, so we won't need it. And we're gonna have the gas dryer over here. So all the windows are replaced now. They look great. So there is no wind coming in, so that's a good thing. So all the windows throughout the house except the bay one. Same thing over here. They sent the door streams. The next step would be to remove the popcorn ceiling. And we got paints over here. Since we don't have heater, so we just put the electrical one over here so that the paints would not freeze. So we got same thing over here. Changed out the windows, receptacles. And we have a powder room over here. It's a small one, but it's gonna be very functional. It's next to the hall on this side, and we have a full bathroom on this side. And it's a huge one too, so we're gonna have double vanity. And the hall is huge too. So we got the recessed lighting up there, and we have all the appliances and then countertop, and the cabinets. Drywall is up. For this powder room, I have to put a jack post on this one because the trusses are sagging. We got a huge island here, huge one. And we got a washer and dryer. And we have one wrong size window. So we'll have to replace it with the correct one. They measured, but they sent the wrong one. So that's for this one. Bay window, only one glass is gonna be replaced. The rest is good. And pretty much everything is tied up to the gas right now since we don't have a heater. So we'll have to wait until we have better weather, warmer weather here in Pittsburgh. And probably we're gonna start working on it afterwards and tap in the gas line and check the furnace if it works. And we'll probably work with the utilities as well, the water line, water heater, and furnace, gas, and the rest will be just cosmetics. And hopefully the furnace works and the ductwork is good, because that's a huge cost.